Left.
Hi friends, it's FirearmPop here, and today I have another in my series on extreme marksmanship. Okay, today what we're going to do is take a ordinary playing card and shoot it, but not this way, this way. Okay, should be interesting. Let's get right out to the range and let's see if we can be done. I'm going to be using my Beretta with a 9mm. It's a Beretta 92FS with a 9mm round. And again, we're going to shoot it this way. Stay tuned. As always, this is FirearmPop. Be safe out there and God bless you. Bye now.